In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add images to your website using Godaddy. Adding images is a great way to make your website look more professional, engaging, and visually appealing. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the official Godaddy website. Once the homepage loads, click the Sign In button near the top right corner of the screen. Now enter your Godaddy account credentials and log in to your account. After signing in successfully, you'll be taken to your account dashboard where all your websites and hosting services are managed. From here, locate the My Products section and find the website you want to edit. Next, click the Manage or Edit Website button next to your website. This will open the Godaddy Website Builder editor. Once the editor loads, navigate to the page where you want to add an image. You can choose your home page, about page, gallery section, or any other page on your website. Now look for the Add Section button or the plus icon inside the editor. Clicking this allows you to add new content blocks to your website. From the available options, select Image or Gallery depending on whether you want to upload a single image or multiple photos. After selecting the Image section, click Upload Image. You can now choose an image from your computer or device. Select the photo you want to add and wait a few moments for it to upload completely. Once the image is uploaded, you'll be able to resize it, reposition it, or adjust its appearance directly inside the editor. You can also add alternative text, captions, or links to your image if needed. This can help improve accessibility and search engine optimization for your website. After making your adjustments, click Done or Save to apply the changes. Now preview your website to make sure the image appears correctly and fits well with the rest of your page design. Once everything looks good, click Publish or Update Website to make the changes live online. And that's it. You've successfully added images to your website using Godaddy. Thanks for watching and goodbye.